Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, ayan, nakikita nyo ba yan kung sino yan? Yan po ang aking long lost tita, long lost auntie na kapatid ng aking father. Kaya for today's video ay samahan nyo kami bisitahin ang aking tiyahin. So bagong lahat guys, samahan nyo muna kami mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Orlando, Florida at saka sa aming adventure dito. So have fun watching! So hi guys! We are exploring the outlet in Orlando. Grabe guys, we were looking at grabe, ang ganda talaga dito mga lahat parang resort style, no? What do you think? The vibes ba? Resort style. We checked out Disney World. Grabe ang mahal, $109.
Turn left, then slight right.
Universal, $89. We should, but the thing is, I'm not a fan of, what do you call that again? Big kayo. I'm not a fan of, what do you call that? Theme parks. Even in Netherlands, even Disneyland in Paris. Disney World is much bigger here in Florida. Next time we have to plan it. There's actually like hotels in Disney World, hotel rooms. But what are we going to do? The Universal, tatamahal. There are some resorts here, swimming. You wanna try? I think this is going to be the largest outlet, how do you call them? Designers outlet center. I don't even know how to say it now. That we will have visited. It's right there behind us. Tada! Grabe puno ang parking. Let's go, let's go. Ta-da, ta-da. Ah, there's Old Navy over there, look. Purple. Grabe, ang daming tao. So this is called the Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets. So hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa kanilang mall. The Millennium Mall, I think it's called. Pamimili, etc. Looking without buying. Pero nakabili ako ng ano guys, ng something. So, punta tayo dito sa kanilang mall. So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang Thai restaurant. Tapos, yan yung pangalan ng Thai restaurant na malapit sa aming hotel. So, Thai Thani restaurant. So, ayan, pasukin natin guys. Let's go, let's go. Very delicious and Thai food. So, ayan, abangan natin kung ano yung o-orderin natin for dinner. Oh, it's busy. Ayan, so as you can see, very Thai ang kanilang decorations. Tapos, ayan, ang aming order. May somtam salad, somtam papaya salad ng kami. Chicken satay, young pork, tapos yung parang curry. So, good morning guys! We're on the road again. Tapos guys, umalis na kami ng Orlando. Hindi na kami bumisita ng mga theme parks kasi it does not really interest personally. Tapos may kamahalan siya, of course, very pricey. Kailangan mong iplano pag gusto nyo ng mga discount. Meron silang mga deals. So kami din namin plinano yung ano namin pagbisita dito sa mga theme parks na yan para bumisita ng mga theme parks. So we decided, tapos hindi rin kami mahilig sa mga theme parks guys. Siguro kung dito si Sofia, maybe for Sophia and Kyle. In the meantime, papunta na kami sa Melbourne kasi mi-meet namin yung kapatid ng aking father. So, my aunt who's been a US citizen for many years. So, yan, mi-meet up natin siya guys just to visit ba. How do you like my glasses? Actually, kahapon guys, I wanted to go to Ray-Ban kasi I wanted to buy yung smart glasses. Kaya lang, at that time, I couldn't download the app. So, parang hindi ko siya binili kasi nga hindi ko magagamit sa Netherlands. Pero surprisingly, last night, I downloaded the app on 3 devices. Tapos ayun, na-download ko. So sabi ko kapalablab, I'm gonna get one. I'm just gonna ask again from Ray-Ban store ko. Pwede na siya wherever. So this one naman is from the outlet na pinuntahan namin kahapon. So ginaya ko actually yung isang vlogger na very sikat. Ganito yata yung shape ng glasses niya. Sabi ko, ay, bibili din ako kahit wala lang ito sa ano niya, sa kanyang, ang tawag dyan, sa kanyang brand ba. Kasi sa akin, mumurahin lang to guys. So dito guys, malapit na kami sa tinitirhan ng aking tiyahin. So yan, ni-record ko lang para maipakita ko sa kanya, sa aking pamilya na ganito pala yung lugar na tinitirhan ng aking tiyahin, ng kapatid ng aking tatay. So ayan, very malapit na tayo guys. Tapos napakaganda kasi in front of her apartment is parang river or beach. River yata yung sinabi niya. River kasi yung across ng river, syempre magkarugtong ay yung dagat. So, ayan, tingnan natin. Samahan nyo kami. Right on Red Arrow.
What does it mean?
IndianRiverFlats.com. Just park here somewhere.
It's organic, they just... So your plan, are you going to plan till 65 to retire, or I think you should retire in the 50s, where you have already, then you got more business there.
Retire now.
Retire now? Well, you can, but you get to have business though, to keep it going, right? Because if you are in the 50s, you already have like investment that is put up in the company. Is there like that in your company too? Like, like investment from your employer?
Like we have like a pension.
Pension. I mean
Yeah.
pension, yeah. So you got both pension, so you're going to survive, but you're not going to display this one because they're going to take advantage of a white people. My son already going to like colleges, schools when hurricane came. But this time it's too much already. We can't. If you are going to repair it or renovate it, it's going to be more. It's better to buy the new one, a new one if you are going to buy. But then he was moved all the time. Now he's in Hawaii, so I decided to have it like, it's not good also me. I have been like got used to like by myself, and then you're going to live with like his wife, and we can't. There is like, this is the old, we call it old downtown. When we got a celebration like something, we had to have like what do you call it, festival or something. This is all closed here because this is downtown Melbourne. Old
downtown.
Old joke, and it's there. People are walking in here down that way. See, look at like Kulon.
Like Kulon.
Kalang, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like close
Ah.
to one another.
92 east.
They were before the bridge, before the Cindy closed.
Ah.
Now it's already permanent. Before it was dangerous because some trucks got
Ah.
melon, you know melon,
Yeah.
round melon.
Yeah.
When the bridge go like that because they are stuck there,
Yeah.
the melon wind just go down this way, roll around this way. So now they had it permanent.
Ah.
When I come here first time, that is I experienced, you know, it's scary. And now they had it permanent. So this is the bridge that we're talking about. We got this to get.
So dito guys, pagkatapos niyang ipakita sa amin kung saan yung bahay nila before, tapos na kung saan siya nagtrabaho, kung saan nagtrabaho ang kanyang nag-iisang anak na aking pinsan, ay dinala niya kami dito sa
katong tindahan na to?
beach area nila.
So magbibuhon. You went to Togo?
No, we didn't go. But near Tampa, there are also nice beaches.
Yeah, it's popular St. Petersburg.
Wala, nice sila karibunan. Oh. Nice oh. Wala ka agi ang karibunan. Nakang naligo. Tira na Max. Nakalakaw. Ano na? Mga dagat. Wala ba shark dire? So hi guys, on our way to Miami. Nagutom ang mga lola nyo. So, we are swinging by. We swung by actually. What do you call that again? Pizza Hut. Can't seem to do it like that. Tapos, ito yun. Kain na kami kasi nagutom ako guys. There. It's huge. Just like in movies though, there cheese there. No, in movies it's like that. No? In movies but when they order something and then they eat at home and then when they pull a slice there's a cheese like that. This is the regular crust pepperoni. Nice, no? The Pizza Hut here. Compared to Asia. What do you think?
Well, I like turkeys as well.
So, alam niyo yung feeling guys na kapag nagbabiyahe na kayo tapos iniwan niyo yung mga kaibigan niyo or relatives niyo or pamilya niyo, tapos yung parang may feeling na yung sad ka, nalulungkot ka dahil may iniwan ka, na parang ganun ba? Na parang a bit depressing. So parang naramdaman namin ni Palablab kasi even though na very short time lang yung na-spend namin sa aking tiyahin, parang nag-click agad si Palablab at saka yung tiyahin ko. Tapos very naman talkative kasi yun siya, very chatty. So ayan. Tapos ayun, palagi silang nag-uusap ni Palablab, tapos yung mga plan lang sa live. Kaya ayun, medyo ayun lang nga. Medyo sad ba?
Look.
It's melting. How did you learn about the ranch dip sauce with that one?
Well, last year when we went to Mama's, right, we also had pizza. I bought pizza this one, which was also very big. And the guy was asking, like, how do you want
Ranch sauce?
yeah. Of course, I didn't know what it was. So,
Yan guys, nagbabiyahe pa rin kami papuntang Miami. Tapos, we are super close na sa aming hotel. Share ko lang yung parang nagano ba mga ilaw dyan o mga effects. Very, very beautiful. So hi guys, we are at the Cheesecake Factory. So hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa the Cheesecake Factory. Tapos ito yung very popular na restaurant chain ng The Big Bang Theory. So if you watch The Big Bang Theory, dito si Penny nagwe-waiter. Tapos dito sina Sheldon, sina Howard, sina who else? Raj. Kumakain. O, diba? Cheesecake Factory, we're going to give it a go. What does Sheldon normally take? I don't know.